Hey guys, Richard Brownson here. Got a super cool 911 Turbo Porsche 1982. We're gonna fix with paintless dent repair. Let's take a look. Absolutely love these cars. They're fun to drive. Loved them when I was growing up. Anyways, we've got two dents right in the roof. This is a tough dent, tough area to fix because you've got a support beam behind this roof skin, and you've also got sunroof drains that run along that area. So I'm going to attempt to go through the sunroof there. If that doesn't work, there's a zipper, little slot in the headliner. I'm going to unzip that, see if I can get on the back side of the metal. And we're going to fix this with paintless dent repair. Stay tuned. Oh, fun fact, we got this super cool 82 Porsche. Absolute beast, fun to drive. Just fixed the Tesla. So two totally different cars, both very cool. We're gonna fix them with paintless dent repair. Stay tuned. All right, we got the Porsche in the shop. Two dents, back section of the roof. Very challenging repair. We're going to attempt to fix this with paintless dent repair. We've got an extra wide whale tail from Dent. We go through the sunroof. Okay, so we've worked a little bit of it out. Actually going through here now, so there's a zipper that can get on the back side of the dent, but the leverage is just tricky and it's tight, but we're working through there and then also through the sunroof. I think this thing will come out just fine. Okay, all done with the Porsche 1982 Turbo 911. Had two dents. Back section of the roof came out great. Pretty much flawless. This is a tough one. Getting leverage on here was a doozy. I had to stop and take a breather a couple times, but persevered, and I think the end result is amazing. So there you go. Paintless dent repair. It works even on older cars like this Porsche. Thanks for watching. Okay, these are the tools I used. Went through the sunroof with the Dent extra wide and the ultra adjustable handle hail twister. This is nice because it starts off with a round stock and then gets flat, so it's got a lot of power and drive. And then blim hook tool and various knockdowns and hammers. Alright, all done with the Turbo. Fixed some dents in the roof. Came out great. Actually pretty flawless. This was a tough one. Getting leverage on this dent, these two dents, was very difficult. Tired me out. Had to take several breaks, but persevered and we worked it out. Did a combo of going through the sunroof and then there's a zipper right there, went through there, worked it out. Paintless dent repair, no body work. Got the pearl white paint. There you go, Porsche 1982 Turbo. Paintless dent repair for the win. Thanks for watching.